My name is Mr. Jones, and today we're going to go on a field trip to learn all about farm animals. Are you ready? Well, let's go! The first animal we're going to learn about is the chicken. Chickens are colorful birds. This chicken here is brown and red and even some blue feathers. That's so cool. Chickens like to eat things that are in the grass, like tiny bugs sometimes. Let's make a chicken sound. Chickens go bark, 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 bark. You try. Great job. Let's say bye to the chickens. Bye, chickens. Bye. Our next animal is a cow. Cows go moo. You try. That's great. Look at these cows playing. How many cows do you see? Yeah, 2 cows are playing. Great job. Sometimes cows are black and white, and other times cows can be brown and white, or just brown. That's so cool. The next animal that we're going to learn about is a goat. Goats go ba, ba. You try. Great job. Look at this mommy and baby goat here. They're so cute. That's amazing. Let's say bye to the goats. Bye, goats. Bye. The next animal that we're going to learn about is a horse. Hi, Mr. Horse. How are you today? That's great. Horses are so cool. Horses like to run and they like to jump, and they're really, really fast. Hey, how many horses do you see here? Did you say 5? Yeah, there's 5 horses in this video here. That's so great. Horses say, neigh, neigh. You try. Great job. The next farm animal that we're going to learn about today is a duck. Ducks swim in the water with their feet. Isn't that so cool? Look at these ducklings in the grass. Ducklings are baby ducks. Let's count the ducks together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 baby ducks. Did you say 5? Great job. Let's say bye to the ducks. Bye, ducks. See you later. Now, our next animal is a sheep. Sheep are fluffy animals, and they live on farms sometimes too. Look at this mommy and baby sheep here. Aren't they so cool? Sheep make the sound ba, ba. Can you try? Great job! Now, the last farm animal that we're going to talk about today is a pig. Pigs go oink, 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 oink. You try. That was a great oinking sound that you made. Pigs like to lie around sometimes. Like this pig looks like he's about to take a nap. Sometimes they lie in the grass, other times they lie in the mud. That's pretty dirty, but it sounds kind of fun. Let's say bye to the pig. Bye, pig. See you later. I had so much fun learning about farm animals with you today. Next time, we can learn about other animals. See you later.